this is a beginner's session, so we are going to start from the beginning. So for those watching this who've got a little bit more experience in here, even if it's just the basics, feel free to skip ahead. But there might be some nuggets of gold in those introduction levels. So I kind of encourage you just to kind of take it all on, as boring as it can be, just to take what you can. As I'm a big proponent personally of an expert being the person who knows the basics incredibly well. So we are going to start from the start. We'll look at just adding some values, multiplying some values, basically doing some basic maths, but doing it on a spreadsheet and within Excel. And how can that differ to, for example, your phone if you were doing it? Along the way, we're going to learn various useful functions. So Excel has around 600 worksheet functions, and we're going to cover a few of the more beginner and kind of useful ones today. But probably the most important thing from my point of view today is understanding the anatomy of formulas and understanding how to reference different data structures. So we're going to have to reference our numbers and our words, and they're going to be stored in cells, or they might be on different sheets. There might be in things called tables. There might be in things called arrays. And although the function we write might not change, we need to understand the way that we can access that, in much the same way that we might access water through a bottle or a glass or a mug. And these are just different containers of liquid with different characteristics. And our data in Excel can also be in different types of containers with different characteristics. And as long as we know that, we are gold, not just with formulas, but also other Excel topics we don't talk about today, such as charts, pivot tables, macros, validation rules. So it really is the most important thing, really.